Oh yeah, look at those layers. You might have never heard of this baklava, but this is Goris Baklava. Let's do this. You can find this recipe plus many more from Armenia in our cookbook Lavash. 2.5 cups flour, 3/4 cup of butter, and squish it together with your hands. You want it a little crumbly. 3/4 cup of yogurt, add in some egg yolks, pinch of salt, and a little baking soda. Whisk it together. Now pour it into the flour mixture. Mix it with a fork till it turns into a dough. Dust your countertop and take your dough out. Now knead your dough until it's nice and smooth. Cut it into 3 parts. You should have a small, medium, and large. Set the dough aside. For the filling, 2 cups of walnuts, and give them a bash. Nice and crumbly. Stand mixer, 3 egg whites, whip it. 1.5 cups of sugar, dash vanilla. Whisk. You want it to just kind of fold over itself. Take your small dough ball and roll it out. Butter your pan and lay in your dough. Pour in half of the meringue, spread it out nice and even. Add in half the walnuts, then roll out your medium dough and lay it on top. And repeat with the rest. Like that. Make diagonal cuts, then go the other way. Brush the top with egg yolk and into a 350 oven. After about 35 minutes in the oven, drizzle some honey over the top and put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. 10 minutes later. Oh yeah. Look at those layers. Abowww! Yeah! Oh man! It's delicious. And it's not as sweet as you think. Want some?